grateful, alhamdulillah. United in faith in Allah that made us able to see, to look at those who struggle and please, please. May they be blessed, may they be blessed, may they be blessed, may they be blessed. Ramadan, Muhammad, Muhammad, Allah. Save your heart to make you stronger. Don't let hate stay any longer. Let the good in you come shining bright. We come one Ramadan for all His mercy, Ar-Rahman. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the name of God, we come one Ramadan for all His mercy, Ar-Rahman. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the name of God, we come one Ramadan for all His mercy, Ar-Rahman. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the name of God, in the name of God, yeah. In the name of God. Muhammad, Muhammad, Allah.
Hello, mic testing 1 2 3 4 5. This is the Fantech HG11 headphone software. You can customize your sound option, customize the equalizer. Equalizer on off option is here. You have 4 profile option, and there are some other option too. Effects, mic. As you can see, the mic is working. And there is the important feature of this headphone, the virtual 7.1. And I don't feel the quality is up to the mark, but it's okay as a budget headphone. Also, you can download the software from the Fantech Captain 7.1. I mean the fantechworld.com. From this side you will get the software. Here is the download Captain HG11 software. That's all.